Hey, this is Todd from Sybil. Welcome to our student activity packs, teacher tips, and overview video. These activities come in our bag, looks just like this, and here are all the components that are in the bag. All right. Hey, before we begin, make sure you check out the video description for a link to additional resources that are going to be needed to do these activities. All right, let's start with the first activity, which is called Energy and Waves. This activity is all about energy and how it moves from one place to another. That's what we're going to explore in this activity. In the first part, it's called moving energy, moving sound. Students need to take 2 of the 9-ounce cups, plastic cups, and they need to stretch a plastic balloon over the top of that. The way they do that is by cutting a balloon, discarding the part you put your mouth on. This is the key thing, and this is where you might have to give the kids a tip, maybe even show them a demonstration, but you're gonna wanna get that balloon nice and tight and put it over the cup. All right, 2 cups with the balloon stretched over top. One of the cups is gonna be the energy or the sound receiver. Put some salt on that cup. And the other cup is gonna be a sound maker. The way you make your sound is you pinch the cup in the middle, pull it back, and let go. Whoa, that was cool. So this is an opportunity for kids to do some investigation, ask some questions, and try some things out. For example, what would happen if we try to block the sound? Let's give it a shot. What if we use this as a blocker? You gotta test that one on your own at home. All right. So that's part 1 of the activity. Again, opportunity for students to do a lot of exploring. How far away can the sound travel? What are different noises that they could make that could create the sound to move? All those things. Part 2 has to do with waves in water. Students are going to take their deli tray, put some water in it so it's about 3/4 full. Let the water sit for a second. After they do, it's still kind of moving, but they put the lid on one end, they take the penny and drop it in the other end. And again, they're looking for energy and seeing how the energy moves. So with these activities in this first activity, this session is really all about what's the source of the energy, what kind of evidence do the students have to see that the energy has moved from one place to another, and then the last thing is to get kids to start thinking about how is the energy or what medium is the energy traveling through. All right, so that's that activity. The next one we're going to do is called the ear puzzle. Set that off to the side. For the ear puzzle, what we're going to do is students are going to explore how sound gets from the ear all the way to nerve impulses into our brain. So how does that energy travel from here and into our brain? So to do that, first thing students are going to do is they're going to get the ear puzzle base, get the punch out pieces, and they're all the components of the ear, and they're gonna try and put the puzzles in order from ear to brain as best they can. Part 1, we know it's tough. Most adults have a hard time putting these things in the correct order. At this point, we just want kids to start to explore and think about how sound might travel from the ear to the brain. Then we're gonna give them the ear component document, ear component functions document. Again, that's in the web link I told you about earlier. That's going to describe all the parts of the ear and let students give some information before they go ahead and attempt to put the ear puzzle together. The last part, we give them the complete ear puzzle, and you as a teacher get to talk about and have conversation about how the energy travels in the ear, all the parts it goes through, because it travels through air, it travels through solid bone, it travels through liquid, all in the path to get to the ear, or all to get to the brain. Those are opportunities you can have to discuss how energy moves and how energy can be transferred. Last part is a sheet called Common Ear Problems, Hearing Problems. It looks at swimmer's ear, earbuds, problems with earbuds, tubes in your ear. These are types of things that common things that kids can learn about ear problems, and what it does is allows you to figure out, well, what's going on in the ear that's causing the ear problem. So it's a way to explore it and make it a little bit more authentic. All right, hope you guys have a good time. Enjoy the video or enjoy these activities with your students, and keep us posted. Let us know if you have any comments or questions.